So this is my Bafang motor. You can see here I've removed the old controller unit, which we saw earlier in the clip where I looked at testing it. So I've got a new controller which will attach here. I've taken off the cover here. We'll put some new grease into the sprockets here, into this gears, and then we'll seal that up. And then we'll put some cable ties on to allow us just to clear up the layout of the cable management. I have a new speed sensor as well, so we'll install that on the bike. I bought a new chain today, and we'll then get the bike put back together, and then we'll start on repairing the battery. Alright, so the replacement that you get comes with all the cables, all sealed in epoxy resin or in potting compound. And this is like the BB02 or BB02 SD model. As you can see, it directly fits in there. So I will get this put on and we'll see what we can do.